Welcome back to Tracy Abroad. Today we're making one of my favorite go-to treats, soft buttery blueberry muffins. Perfect whether you're at home or on the go during your travels. So grab 3/4 cup of sugar, 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, melted and cooled, 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. To keep them nice and fluffy, add half a cup of milk. And then you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. These form the base of our muffins. Gently fold the dried ingredients into the wet mixture. And of course, 1.5 cups of juicy, fresh or frozen blueberries. These will give our muffins that irresistible burst of flavor. Now carefully fold in those delicious blueberries. Fill your muffin tin about 2/3 full and pop them into the oven. Bake for 15 minutes at 375 degrees or until they are beautifully golden and a toothpick comes out clean. And there you have it, fresh, warm blueberry muffins, perfect for any adventure. Thanks for baking with me today on Tracy Abroad. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes from around the world. Bye.